सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 322, verse 240. यौवराज्ये स्थितो राजा पुत्रसाम्राज्यवाञ्छया राजानुकारी भवति तथा साक्षनुकार्ययम्. Every Vedantic student has to travel from Anatma to Atma intellectually. To claim I am Atma, it is not so easy unless I recognize what is Anatma, how I am identifying with that Anatma, which identification is the cause for my sorrow. The student has to recognize. Like the doctor diagnosed the problem first. Here the Shastra and Guru only present what is what. But the student alone has to diagnose exactly where I am facing this sorrow or problem. Yesterday language I said discomfort. I feel uncomfortable mentally. That uncomfort or discomfort at mental level, why it is coming? I have to diagnose. No one can diagnose that. As a Vedantic student, I have to diagnose that and I have to start applying the medicine called Jnanam. Jnana Aushadham I have to apply. Therefore, Anatma is that body-mind complex. Anatma, I am identifying previously, that is the cause for my sorrow. First, it must be very clear. For my discomfort or uncomfortness in the mind is only because of my own misconception, my own wrong identity with the Anatma body mind. What is this Anatma? Anatma is nothing but three sharirams. Shariratrayam plus Sidabhasa, the Ahankara. Lower eye Ahankara, identifying with three mediums, RM1, RM2, RM3. The identification with the wrong party, the identification with the wrong partner is the cause for suffering. Diagnosis over. This is the cause. Maybe cause ella kadiyadu. Doctor, maybe cause, this may be the cause. There may be different in the doctor and my discovery. When I discover this, this is the final. There is no second thought. My identification with this three sharirams is the cause, that is Ahankara's identification with the three sharirams. They are called Anatma. This Ahankara has to recognize my status also is not because of my greatness. My Ahankara, Chidabhasa, Jivahood status also because of the blessing of this Chit. Therefore, now it has to change the party. Instead of identifying with the three bodies, Which three bodies have that relationships with other members in the family? I am a Brahmana, I am a Tamilian, I am an Indian, I am an Asian, I am a wife, I am a husband, I am brother, I am father. All these belong to these three sharirams. No, this is the wrong perception I have developed a long time. Now let me, these are all only my vesham. My identity is really with only Chit. I have to change my party. What party? RM party to OC party. RM party to OC party. RM party means reflecting medium party and celebrating tea parties. Identifying with three RMs and celebrating in mithya prapancha endlessly, but I am missing my true nature. Therefore I am paying the price for my sleepless nights, for my hungryless. Hunger kuda poidum. The kavalai chinta dahati nirjeevam sajeevam vapuhu dehayutam vapuhu chinta dahati. So Venuma Tevaya, why I have to identify with this? So this Chidabhasa is an enlightened Chidabhasa. Panchadasi student Chidabhasa. Sollalaam Panchadasi student, that student Chidabhasa student is enlightened Chidabhasa. After coming to 7th chapter also I am not enlightened, means never I can be enlightened. That's all. In this life over an artham. After coming to 7th chapter also, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, இத்தனை சாப்டர் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி இன்னும் நான் ராங் பார்ட்டில் இருக்கேன்னு சொன்னால் அது ரொம்ப பெரிய ஹிமாலயன் பிளண்டர். I may use the Vesham, but I know this Vesham is mithya. My original nature is Chit, that is called enlightened Jiva. So what? Just as the Yuvaraja want to become a king, behaves like a king. I, the Chidabhasa Yuvaraja, want to become a Sakshi Chaitanya Raja. Even though I am not a Sakshi Chaitanyam, while claiming Yuvaraja is a Yuvaraja, he is going to become an Yuvaraja. Rajya Kankshaya, he just imitate as Raja. Before becoming the Raja, he imitates. Similarly, the Chidabhasa also, before going to claim like Sakshi Chaitanyam, what we are doing in Nididhyasanam, I am Chit, I am Buddha, I am Muktaha. Knee pain is there, back pain is there, family problem is there. I am Sarvagataha, Dukkha Rahitaha, Asangaha, Sarva Vyapi. Like that I am go on imitating myself. Fake it and make it policy. Fake it and make it policy. Rajanukari bhavati. He imitates the Raja. Who Yuvaraja imitates. Anukari means imitation. Anyhow I am going to become a Raja tomorrow. Now onwards, let me behave like a Raja. He has to learn lot of lessons to behave like a Raja. Previously he was playing with all other soldiers and all. He was mixing with all people. Now he should not. So like that, previously this Chidabhasa is saying, I am an ordinary housewife. Now it has to say what? I am the Adhishtanam of this universe. So changing the dialogue totally opposite. I am a miserable employee. I am a Swami of this entire universe. So total opposite. I am having old age. The Chit never have old age. I am having death, previous thought. I am ever free No, from the death, decay-less I am. Previously, I was thinking I am a failure person in my life. As a chit, I never have failure in my life. On the other hand, the entire Namarupa is in me. I am the Adhishtanam. Everything is in me only. I have to learn to do this way every minute, every moment. I have to entertain this thought. How to entertain that thought? The question may arise. Says, Tadha Sakshyanukaryam. One has to do Sakshi Anukaryam. Sakshinaha. Sakshi I am, Anukaryam. Imitate. All Sakshis, Chaitanya Lakshanams are my Lakshanam. The Chidabhasa has to say. Till today I am a housewife, I am a mother, I am a daughter, I am old, I am fat, I am thin. No, these are all not my real nature. I am Chit, I am all pervading, like this. You know all those things. Nirvana Shatkam fully. That we have to remember. Anukaryam anna adi artham. Replacement of Jivatvam to Sakshi status. Replacing the Jivatva Bhavana, Jiva Bhavana, finitude Bhavana. I have to replace, I am infinite Atman. I cannot touched by this body-mind complex. I don't have even Vasana Kshaya doesn't exist for me. All these are only for this Ajnani problems. Vasana Kshaya. Really speaking, who is having Vasana? Which Shariram is having? Sukshma Shariram. Can Sukshma Shariram touch me? Asparsha Yogo Vai Nama. I am Asparsha Yoga. It cannot touch me. Dream, bad dukkham. What is that bad dream? Bad dream, Duswapnam. However much Duswapnam, it can touch or afflict the waker. This point is very, very important. I am repeating again. How this Punya Papa cannot touch me? How this Sanchita Motai and Cholirkanliya? In the Motai, Swamini, you only told me Motai. What happened in this Motai? It is just like a Duswapna you see in your dream, bad dream, terrible dream. Can it afflict the waker? How much percent it afflict? Little bit? Little? It cannot. Why? Why it cannot afflict the terrible Duswapnam? Why it cannot afflict the waker? You know the answer. Because it is unreal. Haihinai. Illave illai. Then how can it afflict? Correct? This answer all of you know. How much correct it is, that answer, your conviction about dream is not there, not real, it cannot afflict the waker. How much real it is? That knowledge. 100%. You have no doubt? No doubt. Similarly, Sanchita, Agami, Prarabdha, all these Vasana Kshaya, all of them, these are all not there. Nai, to afflict me, the Chit Atma. They are not there. Na punyam, na papam, na saukhyam, na dukkham. I was thinking I have got Sanchita Prarabdha Karma, therefore I am suffering. All these things, nothing doing. It's not possible for it. Even you want to touch also, it is not possible. It is not possible. Why? Orders of reality is different. Pratibhasika Satyam cannot reflect the Vyavaharika Satyam. Just as the Vyavaharika Satyam is not afflicted by Pratibhasika Satya Swapna, similarly this ವ್ಯಾವಹಾರಿಕ ಜಾಗ್ರತ್ ಸಂಚಿತ ಆಗಾಮಿ ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಎಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾರಮಾರ್ಥಿಕ ಚಿತ್ ಐ. அதுதான் உண்மை. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா we will enter. Then question may come, when the Yuvaraja thinking himself as Raja, imitating like a Raja, there is some benefit for Yuvaraja, because he is going to become a king and he is going to get the kingdom and kingship and all benefit is there. Like that you are asking me the Chidabhasa to imitate like Sakshi Chaitanyam. What benefit am I going to get? Enakkenna Raja padavya varaporadhu. What am I going to get? Their prince is going to become a king. Here Chidabhasa imitate Sakshi Chaitanyam, chappu nirka Sakshi Chaitanyam. சப்புன்னு இருக்குன்னா சுவாமினி ஃபுட்டு மாதிரி, காரம் இல்லை, உப்பு இல்லை, ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, சப்புன்னு இருக்குன்னா நிர்குணம் நிரவயவம், நத்திங் இஸ் தேர். வாட் இஸ் தேர்? வை ஐ ஹாவ் டு இமிட்டேட் திஸ் சாக்ஷன்னா? நோ. முண்டகோபனிஷத் சேஸ், see the next mantra, that Sakshi Chaitanyam claiming is itself is the great benefit. That itself is a great benefit. Next shloka he presents that. What is the benefit of claiming or imitating as Sakshi Chaitanyam, Aidi Chidabhasa, Ahankara, going to get benefit? What? This benefit. Yo Brahma Veda Brahmaiva Bhavatyeva iti shrutim Shrutva tadeka chitta san Brahma vetti na chetarat. Second line, there is a small correction. Shrutva, first letter, Vu is missing. Shra is there. You have to write a small curve down below. Shrutva it is. The quotation from Mundakopanishad, 3rd chapter, 2nd Mundaka, 9th mantra. The mantra runs like this. Sayohavai tad paramam brahma veda brahmaiva bhavati. That quotation, yo brahma veda brahmaiva bhavati. Only the quarter portion is given. The full mantra further continues. Vasya brahmavit kule bhavati tarati shokam tarati papmanam guha grandhibhyo vimukto bhavati. This is the full mantra. Whoever knows Brahman, he becomes Brahman. Yo Brahma Veda, yaha Brahma Veda, Brahmaiva bhavati, he becomes Brahman. That becomes you have to put in within inverted commas. Becomes is not literally becoming. There is no becoming. There is no becoming. But time being we use that word Brahma Veda, the one who knows Brahman. Brahmaiva bhavati, he becomes Brahman. But according to the law, the knower of clip never becomes clip. The knower of flower never becomes flower. The knower of donkey never becomes donkey. The knower of anything never becomes that thing. The knower of anything that never becomes that thing. Similarly, that law must be applied here also. Brahmavid, knower of Brahman, knower of Brahman, that's all. But how Upanishad can say knower of Brahman becomes Brahman? The law is going against contradiction. Previous law. For that what Upanishad, you know the answer. What Upanishad says? My dear, other than Atma, any object you know, you never become that object because it is an object. Other than Atma, you know anything, you never become that thing better. Thank God you are not becoming that thing. You should not. I know there is a tiger. Suppose I become a tiger? Problem. Therefore, better not to become that thing. It is good. Bhagavan kept that law for our safety. Clear? Whereas, with regard to Brahman, you are not knowing Brahman as an object. You are not seeing Brahman as an object. Brahma Veda means what? The one who knows Brahman as the subject. One who knows Brahman as the subject, very subject, not as an object. If anyone says, I know Brahman, he doesn't know Brahman. If he knows Brahman as an object, he doesn't know. He knows Brahman as the subject, he is called Jnani. So Brahmavid means the knower of Brahman as the subject, oneself claims, I am Brahman. Bhavati means not becoming but claiming. Paramarthananda Swamiji says, always becoming, once it says, you have to translate it as claiming, not becoming. Brahma Veda, once Puja Swami Dayananda Saraswati took this only in the morning class in his yajna time. Brahmavid Brahma Bhavati, that quotation, caption. On that only 6 days talks. Only one first line of that mantra, 6 days talk. And that means Swamiji talked about nearly 6 hours. 6 hours. Imagine how much depth is there. So Brahmavid, the knower of Brahman, is not knowing the Brahman as an object, but the knower of Brahman knowing the Brahman as subject. Therefore, it is possible to become as Brahman, that means to claim as Brahman. Another evakara Vidyaranya use, Brahmavit Brahmaiva Bhavati. Brahma Veda, Veda means the one who knows. Brahma Veda, Veda means not Sama Veda, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda. Veda means with to know. Brahma Veda, Yaha Brahma Veda, whoever knows Brahman, Brahmaiva Bhavati, he is Brahman. Iti Shrutim Shrutva, having heard this from Mundakopanishad Shruti. Mundakopanishad belongs to which Veda? Atharvana Veda. Shruti, Atharvana Veda Shruti, Upanishad, Mundakopanishad Shrutim Shrutva, having heard. Heard means not just pass on. Attending the class, listening the mantra, understanding. Bhavati eva. Another evakara, Acharya using Bhavati eva means definitely, certainly he has to. It is difficult not to claim Brahman. Once you come to the class systematically, you attend, you manage to understand, it is difficult to say I am not Brahman. It is difficult to say I am not Brahman, because you are already Brahman. You are ever Brahman. Therefore, eva Shrutim Shrutva Vetti eva. You have to supply another Vetti. Yaha Brahma Veda Brahmaiva Bhavati iti Shrutim Shrutva Vetti eva. He definitely knows. Yes, ani sollano ningella. Correct Swamini. Yes. Yes ani sonna apdi stamp poduvom. Correct. Yar Muktaha. Vetti eva. Then what? Tadeka Chittaha San. How he or she can become Brahman, claim Brahman. Tadeka Chittaha San. By thinking constantly, I am Brahman, tad ekam eva chittam, yasmin saha saptami tat purusha. Then tadeka chitte yasya saha, tadekam chitte yasya saha bahuvrihi. Brahman is there in his mind all the time. Brahmakara vritti. Aham brahmasmi vritti. Previously, aham patihi asmi, patni asmi, putra asmi, putri asmi. Previously. Now, aham brahma asmi, nirgunaha asmi, sarvagataha asmi. Previously, now vasham, cultified intellectually. Intellectually, I disidentify with all roles. Brahma in akara vritti is there in his mind. Tadeka chittaha san. Or Brahman alone is there in his mind. Brahman alone is there in his mind means what? That Brahma, I am, that thought is there at subconscious level all the time. Never lose sight of. He or she never lose sight of in spite of central station if I sit also. I never lose sight of my real nature. When you are sitting in central station, you forget you are a human being. When there is some Varda, that wind is coming, have you forgotten that time you are a human being? Varda wind is coming, many hours it was there. Have you forgotten you are the human being, male or female? At the Varda time, Swamini, I have forgotten I am a male or woman. Never happens. Why? It is subconscious level, it is soaked in your personality. You never lose sight of. When it is possible, why not this? For a Jnani, it is possible. If you are a Jnani, it is possible for you. If you are otherwise, not possible. So, for whom it is possible? For a Jnani, it is possible. All the time at subconscious level, I am Brahman only, I cannot be something else. Nacha itarat. Brahma tadeka chittaha san Brahma vetti. He knows Brahman because of that entertaining the thought, I am Brahman, 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 Brahman. Not Brahma. It is a knowledge born out of consistent systematic study of scriptures from a competent teacher. Brahma vetti nacha itarat. That mind will never entertain any other thoughts predominantly. All thoughts may come and go, but predominantly in me the adhisthana chaitanyam, thoughts are rising, thoughts are going. In me the adhisthana chaitanyam, the entire nama rupa prapancha is playing. In me the adhisthana chaitanyam, all the dialogues are going on. Pleasure and pain, favorable, unfavorable experiences, situations, what not, everything. Mayeva sakalam jatam. This has to be soaked like a ஊறுகாயில உப்பு சோக்கு பண்ண மாதிரி ஆகணும். இந்த ஊறுகாயில உப்பு எந்த பக்கம் தொட்டாலும் கூட உப்பு 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 உப்புன்னா அது மாதிரி our mind like a ஊறுகாய் பீஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கணும். Whenever you touch anywhere in your mind, any thought, predominantly what comes to the surface. So what? Anatma, whatever happens to the body, mind, roles, all the family members, society, governments may come and go, presidents may come and go, chief ministers may come and go. So what? My body may come and go. So what? My relations may come and go. So what? It is my drama. It is my vibhuti. It is my glory. Matter manifests, matter disappears. Disappears means go into unmanifest form. This is the fact. I know all this, then your knowledge is so firm. Matter only appearing as nama rupa. Matter energy is in motion now. Once it goes to unmanifest form, matter is converted into energy. energy converted into matter, matter converted into energy. I am the one who is enlivening the energy and matter. Avyakta advyaktayas sarvaha prabhavantyah ragame. I am the Adhisthana Chaitanyam, pure consciousness existence principle. Pure consciousness existence principle, my definition. Who am I? Being. Being okay, expansion. Who am I? I am. B stands for Brahman. E stands for the existence, capital E. I stands for, I gave one bookmarker. You are all blinking at me. I stands for the infinite. N stands for naturally sentient consciousness principle. G stands for governing the entire material universe. If you want, I will keep you some more and you can take it afterwards, after the class. The whole everyday Parayanam. Adu pannina podum. Everyday Parayanam. Being. Sari. Next shloka. Pesinde irkalam. Swamiji வந்து 6 நாள் பேசிட்டாரு. ஒரே பிரம்மவித் பிரம்மைவ பவதி. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகம் 242. தேவத்வ காமாஹ்யஜ்ஞாதௌ பிரவிஷந்தி யதா ததா சாக்ஷித்வேனாவசேஷாய ஸ்வவிநாசம் சவாஞ்சதி. The question may arise, suppose I, the ahankara, lower I, RC, reflecting consciousness here, if I imitate, you are telling I will become Brahman, I will become Sakshi Chaitanyam, that means I am destroying myself. Is it not? Am I destroying myself? Once I become a king, I am no more a Yuvaraja. Yuvaraja is almost as good as destroyed. Is it not? Like that here also, I the Chidabhasa, claiming I am Sakshi Chaitanyam, is it not that way I am destroying myself? I the Chidabhasa, Ahankara, lower I, am I not destroying myself? Who wants their own destruction? Anyone do that way? Anyone wants to destroy oneself? I don't want to destroy myself. Why I have to destroy myself? It happens. There are certain occasions how they want to destroy themselves. Example he gives. What example? There are people, those who want to get Devatvam status, higher Devata status, after death, after the fall of this body, if they want to get highest Devata post, they enter into fire. Or they want to go to higher lokas, they enter into Ganga water. We are hearing Bhrigu Maharshi entered into the fire. Kumarila Bhatta merged with Ganga water. Even our Haridas Swami also, people say current taken him. இவங்களெல்லாம் சொல்ற current வந்து electricity வந்து pulled him. Not that. He want to go in that. That is the way some Mahatmas decide they want to leave their body merging into the water, Ganga water. They think they will attain higher loka or entering into the fire. Like that many people do. Nowadays that is not happening generally. What is happening? And people go to Kashi and remain there until their death. At the age of 70 or 65, some people go there and sit. Or 80, at the age of 80 also they go. We do not know when we are going to die. Better to go and stay in the Kasi. And they wait what? For? They wait for what? Death. When we went to Kashi and Puri, You go and see the people, all old people. Venga paathalum old people da. They are all waiting for death. Innu varliye. They are not interested in going to ICU and tube ella pottu mukku kaakal ella adella thevai illa ungalku. We want to leave the body peacefully in Kashi. If you want to see, when you go to Kashi, you see there. In Puri also. If you die there, you go to Brahmaloka, or you go to higher loka, or you get Devata Sthanam. Like that. Good only, no? There is one more practice. There was one more practice also, Sati Sahagamanam. Sati Sahagamanam means what? When husband dies, this Patni also jump into the fire. So she want to go along with him. Those days, not those days, because they consider they will attain moksha. See the Pativratyam, Pativrata Dharmam, Pativratyam mind, see. Once my husband, that's why Patiye Daivam. இப்போ இந்த பக்கம் சிகரெட் இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு பாட்டில் பிடிச்சா இவர் பத்தியா தெய்வமா என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்? All atrocities they are doing, what not, suppose அந்த பத்தி தெய்வம்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. Okay, so those days some good patis were there. I am telling, nowadays are also there, don't mistake me. Some patis are there. Good patis are there. Okay. But that is not relevant nowadays, Sati Sahagamanam. Why? That concept was there. If I drop my body in Agni, Agni is that which takes to Angayati Urdhvam Nayati iti. Angayati Angati Gachati Urdhvam iti Agni. Agni is one who takes a person to the higher lokas. Is called Agni. Once you jump into the Agni, you are going to get higher position only. Devatva position, instead of miserable jiva near the kuvam, instead of miserable jiva suffering with all diseases, you can get the higher post. So what? What is wrong in that? Look into the shloka. Devatva kamaha, the desirers of that devatva status. Devatva means the status of a deva. Kamaha, the desirers, the people. Agni adau pravishanti. Agni means fire. Adipadat Ganga water. Pravishanti, they entered. Agni adau pravishanti yatha. Just as those people enter the fire and getting higher status, tatha, similarly, sakshittvena avasheshaya, this ahankara also destroying itself as though to remain as sakshi. Sakshitvena avasheshaya means to remain as sakshi chaitanyam. To remain as sakshi chaitanyam. Swavinashatvam savanchati. This ahankara, ajnani ahankari became jnani ahankari. Enlightened ahankari. Okay, enlightened ahankara, I am already too late. This ahankara, I was holding on to the wrong party before coming to the class. I was with the wrong party. Now at least இப்போது புத்தி வந்தது అని சொல்லி அந்த பிள்ளையார்னு பார்த்து என்ன பண்ணுவாள்? தப்பு தப்பு தப்புன்னு சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்தா சாட்சி. ஆல்சோ பகவான் இஸ் ஆஸ் தோ சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம். I am the ahankara done lot of என்ன, what you can call, எல்லாம் கபடம், எல்லாம் வேஷம் போட்டி, false body, mind, anatma I have identified. Now, at least now, let me destroy myself and claim I am Sakshi Chaitanya. Sakshitvena avasheshaya. I want to remain as Sakshi Chaitanyam today onwards. Intelligently I am going to live today onwards. I use the body. I use the mind, but intelligently, not unintelligently. Now you are all going to live intelligently. Yes? Sakshitvena avaseshaya swayam vinasham, swasya vinasham or swavinasham saha chidabhasaha vanchati. Desirable or not? This vancha is desirable or not? Desirable. What is wrong? This is miserable. I am ahankara, body, mind complex is a miserable. It is a wrong concept, wrong thought. Instead of that, I am Satya Nitya Buddha Mukta Swarupaha Sarvagataha Atma, wonderful that is. So, Swavinasham Vanchati. Nothing wrong in that. Just as Devatvam. Instead of Jivatvam, Devatvam sake, they jump into the fire. Like that, here, Ahankara jumping into Jnana fire. What fire here? What Ganga water is there? What fire is there? Namak Panchadashi class serves like a fire. What fire? Jnanam fire. What Jnanam does? Jnanam takes you, no taking. Jnanam helps you to claim you are Brahman. That means what? You are no more uncomfortable with your mind. You are not having any discomfort with your mind. You are in a comfortable zone. Are you all in comfortable zone now? I am in my comfortable zone. All of you are in comfortable zone? Yes, wonderful. 100 marks. Okay. Saha vanchate. Ahankara chidabhasa vanchate. Let it desire. Adidane venu. Next shloka. Another example he gives. Yavat swadehadaham saham naratvam naiva munchati yavadarabdha deham syad nabhasatva vimochanam. Another beautiful example. These are all like Nididhyasana shlokas. We can, by heart, if possible, regularly you can read these shlokas. Yavat swadeha daham saha naratvam naiva munchati. Imagine a person, the body is burning, the dead body, or that fire. Previous example itself you can take. They are jumping into the fire. Until the whole body is burned fully in the fire, that man, naratvam, manness, continue or not? Until the total body is burned in the fire, naratvam, the manness, humanness will continue. Dehatvam continues. Until the fire burned the whole body, the naratvam continues. That is why, a bad example, you know that what I am going to say. Sholla Venda Swamini. Bhayam, adi sonnale bhayam nariya perukku. Chumma joke சொல்றேன். In cremation ground, இப்பெல்லாம் எலக்ட்ரிக் எல்லாமே, அந்த காலத்தில் அந்த villages all they burned the body. Until the whole body is burned, the people wait there and they push the body into the fire. Otherwise திருப்பி வந்துடுவானோ பயம். திருப்பி வந்துட்டா என்ன பண்றது, பிரேத்தமா வந்துட்டான பயம். அதனால they put all the fire again இப்படி திருப்பி போடு, தோசை போட்டுன மாதிரி அப்படி இப்படி. ஈவன் வந்து அந்த பாடி until they get burned fully, அந்த ஆள் இருக்கான்னு தான் இருக்கும். Still, is it not like that? என்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க. யாவத் ஸ்வதேஹ தாஹம், swadeha daham, until that body, yavat means until that body is totally burnt. Swadeha daham means burnt totally. saha naratvam naiva munchati. He cannot be free from that humanness. That person இன்னும் தேகம் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு. அதனால இந்த ஃபயர் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே those who want to die also burn themselves. Sometimes half burnt and they take to hospital. Fully burnt means no problem, but half man, half continue, half burnt. Therefore naratvam has not gone. That's why treatment is going on. Totally naratvam goes, humanness goes, no more treatment. Why? Naratvam gone. Because fire has burned totally. Deham, swadeham, naratvam naiva munchati. Koncham body, kai kaalu koncham irundha kuda. Avan irukka appa innu koncham. Avan irukka appa nu solrama illaya. Naratvam naiva munchati. Don't feel bad to listen certain examples. Namakku puriya vekkradhukku solrar. So, yavat similarly, now come to the Ashtanta. You have to apply this to the Ashtanta. Yavat arabdha deham syat na abhasatva vimochanam. As long as this arabdha deha is there, this body is arabdha deha. Arabdha deha means that deha which is sustained by prarabdha. Arabdha deha syat. As long as this body is there, then what? Abhasatva vimochanam na abhasatva vimochanam bhavati. Abhasa vimochanam, freedom from chidabhasa is not possible. Eppadi purinchukonom idu? As long as prarabdha is there, body will be there. Three bodies will be there. As long as prarabdha is there, stula shariram, sukshma shariram, karana shariram will be there. As long as three bodies are there, chidabhasa will be there. Ennada pannanum Swamini po? We want to claim I am muktaha, sakshi chaitanya anna, aadu vidanama, virkanuma. In the madri, suppose if I get Brahma Jnanam, aham Brahma asmi, I have to drop my chidabhasa hankara, get destroyed. If it has destroyed means prarabdha has gone. Prarabdha gone means bodies have gone. Now if enna aale out aidva. Suppose if I get jnanam, prarabdha goes away. Pat na class liye one student. Jnanam vandache. Abhasam poyache. Sariram pochi na. அப்புறம் உங்க ஃபேமிலி பீப்புள் ஆல் வில் கம் அண்ட் சர்ச் ஃபார் யூ. அதெல்லாம் நடக்காது. டோன்ட் வரி லைக் தட். ஹியர் ஆபாசத்வ விமோச்சன மீன்ஸ் ஃபால்சிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் ஆபாசா. Don't take literally or don't extend the example. Prarabdha nasha means as long as prarabdham is there, the body continues. As long as body is there, chidabhasa continues. As long as chidabhasa is there, what moksha you have? No, it's not like that. The chidabhasa recognize I the chidabhasa am mithya. The chidabhasa ahankara pramatrutvam, which belongs to chidabhasa, recognize this body. 1, 2, 3. Three bodies are unreal. And the three bodies unreal and the chidabhasa formed in that sukshma shariram mind also unreal. Prarabdha is also unreal. This is called prarabdha nasha. அப்போ நிம்மதியாக இருக்க சுவாமினி. இப்போ தான் நிம்மதியாக இருக்கேன்னா என்ன? Bodies continue, three bodies. As long as three bodies are there, chidabhasa continues. As long as chidabhasa is there, samsaram also continues? No. For ajnani, samsaram continues. For jnani, chidabhasa, ajnanam will not continue. That is why we say chidabhasa alone is the pramata, because chidabhasa alone deserve to claim aham brahmasmi. Sakshi Nirvikaratvat cannot claim Aham Brahmasmi. Jada Shariram cannot claim, Aryam cannot claim Aham Brahmasmi Jadatvat. Whereas Chidabhasa has got in the knower, no, K-N-O-W, no belongs to Chit. ER belongs to Shariratrayam. So knower is the Pramata, Chidabhasa. In that knower, ER belongs to Shariratrayam. No, K-N-O-W, no belongs to Chit. Mix it together, I am the knower of Brahman. Who is saying? Chidabhasa claiming. Chidabhasa claiming, instead of claiming I am Shariratrayam, Chidabhasa claiming I am Brahman. Not once in a while, all the time. Na vimochanam in the sense here, abhasatvam. Na vimochanam bhavati means ajnanam is there in that ahankara, vimochanam na bhavati. Jnanagni dagdha karmani, beautiful sloka comes in the mind. Jnanagni dagdha karmani bhasmasat kurute Arjuna. Next shloka. Have you got the shloka fully now? How a powerful shloka you see. After reading this shloka also, how one can miss this knowledge. Nanna irukku Swamini. Aanalum but illa buttu illa innu mele. No but here. Okay. So we are what? We are all your Brahman only. I was Brahman, I am Brahman, I ever will be Brahman. Who is telling? Mithya Chidabhasa telling. Puriyarada? Rajjugnanepi kampadi Shanairevo pashamyati Punarmandandhakare sam Rajjukshiptoragi bhavet. Another doubt comes. Swamini, you are giving titles to all of us. We are all knowers of Brahman. We are all Brahmavits. And you are firmly telling, but students may think like that. Still it will take some more time for me, like that they think, suppose. For that Shastra says, some more time you are talking. From which standpoint? Some more time it will take for me. I am not like you, Swamini. You are from childhood. You are studying so consistently. You have brought up justification, the student justification. You are different. We are ordinary housewife. Whatever you are, wherever you are Brahman only. That's all. Why I am saying this? You can never make physical body perfect. Impossible. Leave it. You can never make the mind perfect. Impossible. You can manage some extent sattva guna in the mind. You can never totally remove all the doshas in the body. Even in the mind also, in Karana Sariram, that Ajnana is there, Tamo Guna is there. That is why you are sleeping every day, not in the class. If Tamo Guna is not there totally it is not there, you cannot sleep. Now Tamo Guna is required or not? Required. As long as you have Tamo Guna, there is somewhat. Innu enakku pasi irukka Swamini, innu daham irukka, still I am having that kovam, tapam ella varudhu. Still I am getting some type of anxiety and all those things. Fear comes. Therefore I am not a jnani. Student conclusion. Still I am getting sometimes and the avarana comes, viparita bhavana comes, vikshepa comes in my mind. Suddenly my husband scolds me, I get angry. Therefore I am not a jnani. This is a conclusion. I lose my temper, therefore I am not a Jnani. Don't think like that. Even you get anger, even you get anxiety, even you get some tension, fear, anything, still you are Brahman only. They are all belong to the body-mind complex. After claiming I am Brahman also in Panchadashi class, because Swamini is hammering, there is no way. I am just saying for Swamini's sake, I am Brahman only. But once I wear chappal, I see my son who is not listening to me, my daughter who is not listening to me, and my grandson who is so adamant. I am so vulnerable that time. Anna. So what? That time your Brahmatma will never go away. You are Brahman only. That's why never compare your Brahman status with the body-mind fluctuations. In spite of this knowledge, once in a while that samsaritvam comes and shows its head and goes. Just like, look into the shloka. Rajjugnane api kampadi shanaihi eva upashamyati. Why is there? Upon that you have to give a horn. Mele. Oh, it should be. Shanaihi eva upashamyati. After seeing the rope as rope, putting light, there is no snake at all. This is rope only. Previously I was shivering, I was running because there is a snake. Now I have come to know that there is only rope, there is no snake. But you are shivering, sweating, kunchum, gradually goes. Shanaihi upashamyati. Yes? Clear? Innu tremors irukka Swamini. Appa, and the palpitation koncham continues. Shanaihi upashamyati. Not suddenly it goes. Correct? Inna? Adhe madrida. Second line you see. Punaha mandandhakare. Drishtanta only. Again, after knowing there is no snake, there is only rope, again you go there, next day night also, suddenly after seeing that snake, rope, immediately what thought you get? Snake thought comes. Snake thought only comes. Yesterday you know there is no snake at all, rope only is there. Now why you are getting today? It is a snake thought. Snake, adu varada illaya? Snake, பாம்போ அனு வருதா இல்லையா? எஸ்டர்டே அது ரோப் பண்ணி தான் தெரியும் இல்லையோ? அதே ரோப்பு தான் அங்கேயே வச்சிருக்கேன், அதே ரோப்பு. பட் எஸ்டர்டே யூ நோ இட் இஸ் ஏ ரோப், இட் இஸ் நாட் எ ஸ்னேக், யூ ஹாவ் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். பட் டுடே எகெயின் லுக் இன்டு ஸ்லோகா. சா ரஜ்ஜுஹு க்ஷிப்தா which is there hidden. Yesterday hidden என்ன அர்த்தம்? It is not there. க்ஷிப்தா உரகி பவேத். உரகி என்ன? பாம்பு. அது பாம்பு மாதிரி திருப்பி தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஆமாம், கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு அப்புறம் இது பாம்பு இல்லை. எஸ்டர்டே ஐ தாட் லைக் தட் ஓன்லி, டுடே இம்மீடியட்லி யூ ரிகவர். எஸ்டர்டே இட் டுக் சம் மோர் டைம். Today you won't run away, you won't get sweating, you don't get kampanadi, but and the uragi thought, that snake thought has come or not? It has come. Do you question why snake thought has come to me? Yesterday itself I come to know it is a rope only. Why snake thought has come? Do you ask? Just it happens. Like that, after claiming that you are Brahman also, once in a while you become a patni, pati, father, mother. Suddenly that jivatva bhavana just crops up. But not, it's unlike previously, it is not like previously, it is not so powerful it comes, attack you, but just it comes and goes away. At moments it happens. Let it happen, doesn't matter. So what? My வேஷம் தானே, வேஷம் நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. You play the roles well. ட்ராமா நல்லா பண்ணாதே கிளாப் வரும். கிளாப் வந்தால் தான் நிறைய செக்கு, பெரிய செக்கு கொடுப்பான். இல்லைன்னா செப்பல் போடுவான். இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் செக்கு இது எப்படி செப்பல். You have to play the drama well or not. Therefore, in Panchadashi class, you claim I am Brahman. After wearing chappal, when you go out, you play your role properly. Don't say I am Brahman. Don't say I am Brahman to anyone. Okay. You play as though you are Ajnani. As though Ajnani. You don't know anything. It looks like that for outside. But you know that you know. You know that you know. Not as an object, but as a subject. Enough in Panchadashya. Next class again, Varano. You have to study again. Again and another, continue. It brings to the Dashtanta next class. We'll see. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.